Homeschooling is an educational approach where parents and guardians take primary responsibility for teaching their children in the home rather than sending them to traditional public or private school. For beginners, it can feel exciting yet overwhelming, and at its core, homeschooling offers flexibility and personalization. Families can choose to design their own curriculum that matches their child's own learning style, pace, interests, whether that's structured similar to traditional school schedule or more relaxed or interest-led. Subjects typically include math, language arts, science, social studies, but homeschooling also allows room for life skills, creative project, real world learning experience like field trips and community involvement. Getting started with homeschooling involves understanding your local laws and requirements, setting clear educational goals, setting teaching materials, programs to fit your child's needs. Many beginners start with pre-made curriculum to build confidence, while others gradually develop their own lessons plans over time. Consistency is very important, but so is flexibility. Homeschooling allows families to adjust schedules, take breaks when needed, and dive deeper on the topics of interest. But a support network through local groups and online communities can also make a big difference, offering encouragement, resources, social opportunities for both parents and children. Inside the homeschooling starter kit, you'll get see exactly how to begin without the overwhelm, without the guesswork, and without feeling like you have to get it all perfect. Get our big homeschool curriculum now. It includes tons of over 60 ebooks and growing, and you'll get the homeschooling starting kit in the homeschooling starter kit, your step-by-step blueprint to choosing your curriculum, setting up your home, and thriving your first year. Click on the link below and get the homeschooling starter kit now.